In this video, I'll show you how to set up server-side tracking in Google Tag Manager. Start by signing into your Google Tag Manager account. From the dashboard, click Create Container. Next, enter a name for your container, select Server as the target platform, and click Create. Accept the terms of service to continue. After that, choose how you want to deploy your server container. You can use the automatic provisioning option with Google Cloud or connect an existing server if you've already configured one. Now, once your server container is running, open your web container in Google Tag Manager and update your Google Tag or Google Analytics 4 tag. In the tag settings, enter your server container URL in the transport URL or server container URL field, depending on the tag you're using. Next, click Preview to test both your web container and your server container. Confirm that events are being received correctly before publishing your changes. Finally, click Submit and Publish in both containers. After a few minutes, verify your data in Google Analytics 4 to make sure events are being processed through your server-side container. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up server-side tracking in Google Tag Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.